Ron here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I got a shop cart in the other day and some parts from Russell. And this is Russell's shop cart. Everybody knows Russell. He's got an awesome shop cart here. Russell's Model Cars. Me and him did a buddy build, and that's one that he built, and I built the other Corvette, if y'all remember. And Russell built this Tamiya, whatever you want to call it, Mustang, and that's probably one of the best Mustangs I've ever seen in my life. I mean, that thing is sweet. Well, he molded me up some parts for this Mustang to build the engine. You know, the model kit comes with the engine block, but it don't come with the upper parts of the engine. And so Russell molded me up a couple of them. So next time I do the build, I will have the engine, and I'll turn around and show you what Russell sent me here in a minute. And first of all, I want to thank all my subscribers, old and new, and I just want to thank everybody in our community. Our community's awesome. I mean, you can get every kind of tip. Somebody will show you how to do it if you don't know how to do it. There's always good advice out there. And whether it be model cars or military or sci-fi or war gaming, I mean, you know, this community is awesome. I mean, RC guys too. RC guys, you know, they build some awesome, you know, they're just big old model kits is what they are. You can just play with them. And them guys, you know, they do some awesome stuff. So shout out to all them guys. And too, you know, Tim had talked to me a while ago at Throttle Power, and he's going to the IndyCar Museum. And dude, I want to see video of that. That's, you know, I love the Indy cars. And all right, I'm going to shut up, turn around, and show you what Russell got me. All right, this is what Russell from Russell Model Cars, this is what he resin cast me. Look at this. See if you can see that. There's the top of the Ford engine, the Mustang engine. There's the valve covers, heads, valve covers. There's the front of the engine. You can see the filter there. Here is the firewall. I don't know if you can see that very good or not. Have to do a little cleanup and stuff, but there's firewall. And then there's airbox and hoses. Here's the radiator. And if y'all don't know what that engine's for, it's for this kit right here, the Tamiya kit. And I'm going to build it this color gray, exactly like the box art. And then, but I'm going to open the hood and put the engine stuff in it. In no way am I as good as Russell. You look at this car right here. I mean, my God. Russell did such an awesome job. That's the best. That's a P-51 inspired Mustang right there. That thing is sweet. And he also sent me some of these boxes, several different size boxes that you can put in diorama scenes and stuff. And he also sent me a couple of 4-barrel carburetors that he had resin cast for me. And I sure do appreciate it, Russell, and I'm looking forward to our Cortina builds here in a couple months or so. We'll get to that. I got, like I said, on the Cortina builds, I got to order me some decals and stuff for mine, for what I plan on doing with mine. But I sure do appreciate it, Russell. And to all my subscribers, go check Russell out. I'll leave it in the description, which a lot of y'all already know who he is, but people outside the community don't know who he is. I mean, he does some awesome dioramas. Man, we've had a good buddy build, and I know he's got a buddy build going with Keith R right now. So y'all go check them out. All right, that's all I got to say.